ultralight tips and quips. Hi, I'm Courtney. Thanks for coming to see me on my channel. Let's get right to it. Should you change your carb's jet settings? Nope. I recommend sticking with your factory settings. Too many people think they must change it. Don't do this. Follow factory settings. An exception may exist if your airport elevation is over 4,000 feet MSL. First, however, try the factory settings. I've flown a Rotax 503 from sea level to 12,600 feet MSL without any issues. Some have asked me if they should change their premix oil mix ratios. I recommend you don't do this. Stick with the ratio indicated on the container. If you start messing around with the ratio without truly knowing what you're doing, you could blow up your engine in flight. I have to warn you, on the internet, there are supposedly experts who are nothing more than armchair pilots. I recommend you take caution when asking for help or advice online. Incorrect information may be among responses. You must remember that some of the folks giving advice on the net may actually know less than you do. This is why I always recommend you seek out true experts involved in the type of flying you want to do. Over time, you may find yourselves with a couple dozen of these experts you can trust and rely on, instead of accidental advice from armchair pilots. Sorry for laughing, but I'm thinking of some really bad advice posted on the internet in the past. What causes an engine to blow up? Number 1. Poor maintenance or neglect. It's stunning to know, so quite a few pilots had their engine quit in flight and had to make emergency landing, then turn around and blame their engines. It's almost always pilot error due to a neglected engines. To prevent this, keep up with maintenance and follow factory engine maintenance manuals. By doing so, you'll most likely never have an engine out during flight. I've been flying Rotax 2-strokes for 8 years on 3 different airplanes and never had to make an emergency off-airport landing. Keep your airplane motor happy. Another way to destroy your engine is by running it in a lean or hot condition. This could be from a dirty carb or wrong carb setting. An exhaust system leak can also cause your engine to run hot. Old or bad exhaust gaskets can cause this issue. Monitor your exhaust temperature while you're flying, because higher EGT readings means something's up. Let's talk about auxiliary fuel pumps. Some have suggested these be added to aircraft that came without them from the factory. My opinion is, if the factory felt an auxiliary was not necessary, you should not add one. By adding unnecessary components and fuel lines to your fuel system, you invite problems you don't have now. Complicating the system with 2 pumps, new junctions, switches and fuel lines, and now an electrical setup that you likely didn't have before, increases the chance of system failure and an unnecessary off-airport landing. Keep it simple. Questions about prop pitch settings. It is common for pilots to ask around for the proper prop pitch settings. I suggest you call the prop factory instead. They want you to have the proper setting for your airplane and engine setup. rather than a setting obtained from an armchair pilot. The factory will give a setting based on prop model, your aircraft, your engine and applications, for example, floats. Airplane are wide and varied, and most armchair pilots can't always know exactly what is best for you. And finally, I recommend every one of you flying a Rotax engine. Download a free copy of Mike Stratman's Proper Care and Feeding of the Rotax Motor. This manual is considered the Bible for ultralight and light sport Rotax motors. I highly recommend it and follow whatever he suggests for eventful free flying. I frequently look up stuff in it myself. Many of the things I'm telling you now came out of Stratman's manual. Know the straight scoop about your engine and keep your life stress-free. Thanks for coming to visit me, and I'll see you in the skies.